Hello, everybody. Sorry for the delay. Been having a very difficult time doing this program again. So it took me a while and um, to get this thing setting to get it to go. And I do have my dear friend Neelamji waiting for me. Um, you know, as we are speaking, she's going to be joining me again, and we're going to start the program. I know it's very late, but we'll have a short session, but we will have it today. And we are live now, Neelamji. Group mein hai, we are in the group. So we see it, and it should be in the group because I can see it myself live. And
just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
Sure. Let's see. Yeah, we are live. Okay. So sorry, folks. Sometimes these technical things happen. And like I said, I've been practicing and practicing and practicing, but I guess I didn't practice yesterday. So it happened. I mean, a bad thing happened. I feel so bad because नीलम जी इंडिया से हैं और बेचारे इतनी देर की वेट कर रहे हैं, and I'm getting frantic to get this thing going. And I'm sorry for the last couple of days I was not able to come because I was having a personal treatment done, which was happened to be on a Wednesday morning. And now my husband is going to have some treatment done, which is going to be next Wednesday morning. So we will not be able to have a program next Wednesday as well. But I personally agree, feel that if there's any medical issue or anything to be taken care of, do it immediately. Do not wait. अभी थोड़ा टाइम जल्दी है, अभी जल्दी क्या है, अगले महीने कर लेंगे. Don't do those things. Do it as soon as you find that there's some problem or you feel don't feel comfortable. I would say just do it. And good morning, Asha ji. Good morning. Thank you for asking me. So this is what happened. It's like this thing is they made it very difficult. It's not like before. But I'm so happy that I was able to do it after trying at least 7-8 times. But नीलम जी, हमारा टॉपिक बहुत आज ज़बरदस्त है. It's like negative people's influence जो अपने लाइफ में आता है, तो उसको थोड़ा कैसे ठीक करें. But before that, I really want to introduce Neelam ji properly, not like this. I jumped the gun. But anyway, she's a Reiki grandmaster, by the way, and a avid Sujok therapist, animal healer, switch words expert, naturopath, and positivity coach. That's why whenever she comes on a Shukrana, she gives such a beautiful talk that we all are so touched and can be affect karta humko. I really feel that I learn so much by listening. And also then she also a holistic healing. She has a holistic healing center. It's called the Nature's Grace in Jaipur and Gurgaon. And she's a biker by passion and a big time dog lover like me. I love dogs too. And she loves to feed and heal the pets and stray babies. At Nature's Grace, she does the certificates courses of Reiki, Sujok, and switchwords, treatments of mental, physical, and emotional issues through Reiki, Sujok, and naturopathy, kids Reiki programs, wellness retreat and workshops, energy healing sessions, animals and birds healing, counseling, and meditation programs. So you can contact her at this number. I'll give it to you if you ask me. And the social also, she has a social handle and she's also on Facebook. I remember just a few days ago, I think about a week ago or something, she had a retreat and I saw them on Facebook. They looked very great, wonderful. And she always has some kind of program going on where she's being awarded. I always see that. So
thank you.
I'm sure you're doing an absolutely great job because you have all these places that you go to. If I was in India, I would have joined you to boost you and come there and listen to everything. But the best thing we can do right now is just to see each other through Zoom and then go live on Facebook. तो अभी ये जैसे मैंने अभी कहा है कि टॉपिक जो है, अब थोड़े इसके बारे में थोड़ा और बताएं हमको, and how to identify, right, this kind of negativity in our lives.
First of all, thank you, Veena ji, for inviting me. It is always a pleasure to come to Shukrana. I feel really blessed whenever you tell me कि आपको शुक्राना पे आना है. मुझे लगता है जैसे वाहिगुरु जी बोल रहे हैं. आज तुम्हारी अटेंडेंस लगानी है। बोला अच्छा जी, आज बिल्कुल लगेगी हमारी अटेंडेंस। So the topic, yes, which we have picked up is a little tricky today, क्योंकि जब भी हम नेगेटिव लोगों के इन्फ्लुएंस की बात करते हैं, we always think about those people to be somebody outsider, like your competitor in business or your class competitor या कोई. But then what we do is, because our focus is so much on the outside people, we don't understand our inner circle. Actually, negative impact जो लोगों का होता है वो कभी भी outer circle से नहीं आता.
Wow.
It is always from your inner circle. Now, for example, you and me are there. Is it really going to affect you if I get one more award? No, no. You will just be happy, or maybe you will be just neutral. But you're not going to give that negativity impact to me. Why will you be jealous of me getting an award, right? But if somebody which is their very close competitor of mine, which is in the same field and which is also my friend, they might feel it because they are seeing my growth every day. They are interacting with me every day. So the emotions like love, jealousy, anger, these do not come from people with whom you're not contacting on a daily basis. These emotions always evolve from your inner circle, from the people who
Ah,
are seeing you daily, who are talking to you daily, with whom you're connected on a daily basis. So even your negative people's impact is from your inner circle. जबकि हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि हमारे आउटर सर्कल से वो चीजें आ रही है, हमारे घर वाले क्यों हमारे बारे में बुरा सोचेंगे, हमारे फ्रेंड्स क्यों हमारे बारे में बुरा सोचेंगे, हमारे कुलीग्स क्यों सोचेंगे. लेकिन वही लोग हैं जो ये सोच सकते हैं, क्योंकि वही लोग हैं जो आपसे प्यार भी करते हैं. तो जो प्यार करता है वही आपसे नफरत कर सकता है, जो आपकी प्रेस करता है वही आपसे जेलसी कर सकता है. जो आपकी ना प्रेस कर रहा है ना जेलसी कर रहा है, they are not going to impact you any which ways. See, if you go
right.
and meet somebody in an exhibition or in an event, like I go to so many events, मुझे कितने सारे लोग मिलते हैं. The moment I
Right.
get an award, everybody will say congratulations, and that's it. That is the minimum interaction you have with that
Right.
people.
Right. That's true.
2 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट. तो
Right.
वो लोगों की एनर्जी मुझे इम्पैक्ट क्यों करेगी? लेकिन जिनके साथ मैं रोज बात कर रही हूँ, जिनको मैं ये बता रही हूँ कि अच्छा मेरा इसके लिए नॉमिनेशन हुआ है, एंड दिस इज माय इवेंट, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर दिस, एंड आई एम गेटिंग फेलिसिटेटेड बाय दिस पर्सन. नाउ दोस आर द पीपल with whom my energy is connected.
Okay.
And people with whom your energy is connected are the only people whose energy is going to impact you.
Correct. I believe I agree. I agree. And people
So whenever we
misunderstand
talk
you.
about
And yeah. And also, Neelamji, madam, people also misunderstand and misinterpret what you say and what you do in life.
exactly, and that also happens from your inner circle, not
Yeah,
from your outer circle.
exactly.
हमारी सबसे ज्यादा लड़ाइयाँ हमारे फ्रेंड्स और हमारे घर वालों से और हमारे क्लोज रिलेटिव या कुलीग से होती है. हमारा सबसे ज्यादा अटैचमेंट भी उन्हीं से होता है. हम जो भी करते हैं हमें उनमें उन लोगों का अप्रूवल चाहिए होता है. वी वांट देम टू रिकॉग्नाइज अस. 200 people recognizing my efforts on Instagram or on Facebook or in a live event actually doesn't impact me much. But those 5, 10, 15 people in my inner circle are the one which are impacting me the most. So the negative influence also comes from those people. So always remember, whatever is happening in your life is based on your inner circle, not on your outer circle at all. Now, it is very difficult to identify. First of all, it is very difficult to believe that these people can have a negative impact.
Exactly. I agree.
आप मानने को ही तैयार नहीं हो. वो क्यों हमारे बारे में बुरा सोचेंगे? But then वही है जो सोच सकते हैं, क्योंकि वही आपके बारे में अच्छा भी सोच सकते हैं, वही आपके बारे में बुरा भी सोच सकते हैं. बाकी तीसरे इंसान को तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता ना, आप क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे हो.
करेक्ट. एंड ऑल्सो देखो ना, अभी बाहर के जो मिलते हैं, जैसे आपने बोला है, किसी पार्टी में अक्वेंटेंसेस होते हैं, तारीफ कर दी, हेलो जी क्या हाल है, हाउ आर यू डूइंग, एंड देन यू माइट सी देम अगेन आफ्टर 1 month or 2 months. ऐसे ही होता है ना.
Or maybe not see them ever again.
You might not see them ever again. They're just well wishers, and they will not
Yeah.
have anything bad about you because they don't really know you that well. They just see you in an event, and they just happen to face mil gaye, hello kar di, and that's it. You're right. The
Yeah.
ones you see more often are the ones who carry all these things, negative things about you. Whether it's true or not, that's another thing. But they perceive it that way. about you, perception जो दिमाग में आ जाती है तुम्हारे बारे में.
Sometimes what happens, see, everybody comes through their own childhood traumas. Everybody have their own blocks, their fears. Okay. Suppose someone who has a fear of public speaking. I'm just giving a very random example. Suppose one of my friend who, or you're one of your friend, has a fear of public speaking, and you are a very good public speaker, right? You are doing lives, you are talking to different people, you are every day interacting, people are listening to you. Now, it is not by intention that person is feeling jealous, but just because that person in them and they see something that you are really good on, initially वो आपको praise करते हैं, but धीरे 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 वो feeling बदल जाती है, फिर उनके अंदर वो jealousy आ जाती है, और वो jealousy या वो irritation या वो hatred सिर्फ उनके fear की वजह से आता है, क्योंकि वो चीज नहीं कर सकते. Sometimes it is not even intentional. Sometimes it is intentional.
I,
Sometimes it is not even intentional. They also don't understand why they are getting so negative feeling about you, why they are not happy with your success. Because it's their own fear or their own block is getting triggered there. So it is, and you will not come to know ever that that person has that kind of feeling for you. Until unless कोई ऐसा incident हो जाए और वो कुछ ऐसा कर दे, तो आप वो आइडेंटिफाई बहुत जल्दी कर लोगे, वरना आप आइडेंटिफाई, और कई बार तो आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद भी आप उसको एक्सेप्ट और एक्नॉलेज नहीं करोगे. You will think that you are thinking wrong about that
right,
person.
right, I
Actually,
agree
this
that
is not happening.
give them a like a credit, like you said, no, you are wrong. I mean, मैं तो अपने आप को ही blame करती हूँ. I'm wrong.
Exactly.
Although my instincts are correct, because you know अंदर से feeling आ जाती है, but I always say no, I think मैंने गलत सोचा है या गलत है. I don't believe this thing. You
But
know.
then you know what? Energy speaks louder than anything else. So if your body energy is feeling a negative energy around you, it will give you that gut feeling, that instinct,
Yes, that's
that
instinct.
indication.
But you still keep on giving them the benefit of the doubt. चलो भी शायद benefit, you know, like you're thinking नहीं ऐसे नहीं, like you just said, इतना close कोई होए, but they're saying all this thing to you about you, to your face or even behind you, and then you do get the feeling कि कुछ है चल रहा है. I
Sometimes even if they don't say, you get that vibe that
right,
something is off.
exactly. Yeah, yes.
Something is just not working out with this person, or something is off. The energy has changed with that person. The way
Mm,
you used to feel lively, the way you used to feel happy with that person, now you're not feeling that way anymore,
right.
because the energy has changed. And energy will always be correct. उस एनर्जी को इस चीज से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता वो आपकी माँ है, बाप है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, आपका हस्बैंड है, आपका ब्रदर है. एनर्जी तो अपने तरीके से वर्क करती है ना. एनर्जी इज डिफरेंट. तो
Yes.
आपको वाइब तो आ जाएगी. हाँ, उस वाइब को आने के बाद आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई करते हो, एक्नॉलेज करते हो, और उसको चेंज करने की कोशिश करते हो या नहीं, दैट इज एंटायरली अप टू.
That
दैट
is
इज वेयर योर ओन इमोशनल प्रोटेक्शन कम्स इनटू प्लेस. How we are responsible for our physical protection, we are also responsible for our emotional protection. अगर आप रास्ते में जा रहे हो और आपको लगता है सामने वाला कोई क्रीपी सा आ रहा है, सो हाउ यू ट्राई टू प्रोटेक्ट योर बॉडी. यू इंस्टेंटली एक वो आ जाता है गट फीलिंग, आप थोड़ा साइड में चले जाते हो, रोड के दूसरे तरफ चले जाते हो, दूसरा टर्न ले लेते हो. You just try to protect your physical body, right? And you
yeah.
react very fast on that gut feeling, because that's been built in us from childhood. You have to protect yourself physically. But this has not been built in us from childhood, that you have to protect yourself emotionally. Because emotional manipulation तो बचपन से चल रही होती है,
Yeah.
लेकिन emotional protection कोई नहीं सिखा रहा होता.
That
But
is
the
true.
same way we are protecting our physical body, we are responsible for protecting our emotional body also. And that's why it is very important to identify these negative energies or negative impact, or people having negative thought process. I will not say people are negative. No, people are always positive. It's just the thought process which changes with time. कभी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, कभी पॉजिटिव भी हो जाएगा. लेकिन जब वो नेगेटिव हो जाता है, तो वो अगर आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करते हो, देन इज द रियल प्रॉब्लम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ यू. फिर आप देखोगे धीरे धीरे आपकी ग्रोथ रुकने लग जाएगी, आपके चीजों में ब्लॉक्स आने लग जाएंगे. जो चीजें आप बहुत आसानी से कर लेते थे या हो जाती थी, वो रुकने लग जाएंगी.
Mm-hmm.
Either you'll start falling sick very often. So these are the indications that the negative energy of people surrounding you has started impacting you. Either you start feeling sick very often, सर्दी खांसी जुकाम सीजनल चीजें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी होने लग जाएंगी, or what, whenever you are going out somewhere or whenever you have an event or whenever you have a live session or something, कोई ना कोई glitch आ जाएगा उसमें,
Oh boy.
आप डिलेज हो जाएंगे, ग्लिच हो जाएंगे, आप जा नहीं पाओगे, और you will yourself start you will yourself stop avoiding those things. आपके अंदर से वो फीलिंग आने लग जाएगी, I don't want to do it anymore. But this is not your negative energy. This is the energy of the environment which is impacting you. तो जब ये चीजें होने लग जाती है, when you yourself start getting negative about everything, you start getting irritated, that means something is wrong. Now it is time for you to identify what is wrong in your surroundings. Why your energy has also changed.
Yes, good. That's a very good. आपने बहुत अच्छा ये पॉइंट लेकर आए हो कि इमोशनल प्रोटेक्शन कैसे करनी है अपनी, बिकॉज अगर आप खुद नहीं करोगे आइडेंटिफाई ऑल दीस थिंग्स अगेन व्हाट्स
कोई नहीं
हैपनिंग,
करेगा.
nobody's going to do it. Nobody's
Nobody is
there.
going to do it.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Why will they? They have their own things to handle now.
Yeah, that's true. तो उनकी जो
So it
नेगेटिविटी
is your
है,
responsibility.
इसके वे इट अफेक्ट्स यू अनलेस यू स्टॉप इट. You have to नेगेटिविटी को स्टॉप करना है बिकॉज यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ. दैट इज द की थिंग. ये जो है दैट यू राइट 100% राइट. आई सी सो मेनी पीपल समटाइम्स रोज बीमार हो रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है, उनको नेगेटिविटी उनके साथ में होएगी. यू नो मे बी विद मी समटाइम्स like last couple of weeks I haven't been feeling the best I usually the way I'm always am, you know. So I have a feeling that maybe there is something going on. So
See, it could be
I talk to
seasonal, it
everybody.
could
It could
be
be
weather also. Not every time it could be people
no,
around you.
I know it could be, but yes,
नेचुरल
combination.
क्लाइमेट भी चेंज होता है, नेचुरल चीजें भी होती है, तो उससे भी. लेकिन अगर कोई चीज कॉन्स्टेंटली रिपीटेडली आपकी लाइफ में हो जा रही है, वो पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है, डेवलप हो रहा है बार बार, देन इट इज द टाइम फॉर यू टू थिंक कि क्या गलत. एक बार हो गया, दो बार हो गया, दैट्स नॉर्मल. हम चलते चलते गिर जाते हैं, कई बार हमारा सैडल टूट जाता है, हमारे कपड़े फट जाते हैं, हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. दैट इज वेरी नेचुरल बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन, सो वी आर प्रोन टू दीज थिंग्स. But if this keeps on happening again and again and again, then it is time for you to think कि क्यों हो रहा है. And it is time for you to stop that also. और उसको रोकने के लिए भी आपको कोई बाहर जाके कोई ज्यादा हेल्प लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपकी खुद की सेल्फ अवेयरनेस उस चीज को रेक्टिफाई कर सकती है. So if you have rectified that, talking to a person, see, it is there are three very simple steps to figure out if the energy with whom you are is neutral, positive, or negative, of any person in your life for that matter. Could
Neutral.
be your own kids also. Neutral, positive, and negative. एनर्जी के तीन ही फॉर्म होते हैं, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव या न्यूट्रल.
Neutral,
तो अगर
positive,
आपको किसी भी पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव,
negative, yeah, and neutral.
so our body is made up of cells, and in every cell there is a positive energy, proton, negative energy, electron, and neutron is the neutral energy. हमारी पूरी बॉडी इन तीन एनर्जीज से ही बनी हुई है, और सामने वाले की भी. सेम इज आवर ऑरा फील्ड मेड अप ऑफ एनर्जी. तो एनर्जी के सिर्फ तीन ही फॉर्म हो सकते हैं, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव या न्यूट्रल. अब सामने वाले की एनर्जी और आपकी एनर्जी सिंक हो रही है पॉजिटिवली, नेगेटिवली या न्यूट्रल फेज में, वो आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत आसान होता है. उसमें आपको ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती, कोई नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग भी आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है. So I'll give you an example of a person you're meeting for the first time. Okay? Let's, जैसे आप और मैं पहली बार मिले, हम लोग भी Zoom पे मिले, we have never met in person. But there is some sync. That's the reason I've come the second time. That's the reason I've come third time on Shukrana. क्यों? एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी सिंक हो रही है, राइट? आप जो बोलते हो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैं जो बोलती हूँ आपको अच्छा लगता है, आप मेरा काम देख के खुश हो रहे हो, मैं आपका काम देख के खुश हो रही हूँ. तो the energy flow is positive. Now, you met somebody for the first time and you spoke to them for 5 or 10 minutes. वो अपना ही कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. Let it be any topic for that matter, something out of a blue, something very personal, whatever. But after that conversation, when you leave, you kind of suddenly start feeling drained out and tired. आप अचानक से आपको ये फीलिंग आती है कि या तो गला सूख रहा है, पानी चाहिए मुझे, या ऐसे लगता है यार बहुत थक गई मैं अचानक से, आई फील ड्रेन्ड आउट, माई एनर्जी इज ड्रेन्ड आउट.
Hmm.
That is the indication that your energy is not in a positive sync. You are getting affected by the negative energy of that person. आप थक जाओगे, आपको प्यास लगेगी, आपको सडनली इरिटेशन होने लग जाएगी, आपको टायर्ड फील होने लग जाएगा, यू फील लाइक गोइंग ऑफ टू स्लीप, यू फील लाइक नहीं यार बहुत हो गया, आई वांट टू गो एंड रेस्ट नाउ. That is the indication you have come in contact with a negative energy.
Negative energy.
You meet somebody, you talk to that person talks to you nicely, you talk टाटा बाय बाय हो गया, आप अपने जोन में चले गए, वो अपने जोन में चले गए, आप 5 मिनट बाद भूल भी गए कि उसने क्या बोला, आपने अपने दिमाग में ही नहीं रखा.
Hmm.
दैट इज द न्यूट्रल इम्पैक्ट.
Okay.
किसी को किसी से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, अच्छी मीटिंग की, मिल लिए, लेकिन हमने दूसरों की बातों को अपने दिमाग में नहीं रखा. दैट न्यूट्रल इम्पैक्ट. You are back into your energy, the other person is back into their energy. That's a neutral energy.
Right.
The third is the positive energy. You meet somebody, you feel really good about that person, you feel pepped up. The moment that conversation is over, you feel more energized, you feel
Yes.
more encouraged, you feel more motivated in life. चाहे उसने आपकी लाइफ से रिलेटेड कोई भी बात नहीं की, लेकिन उससे जिस तरीके से बात की ना, उससे आप अपने आप ही आपके मुंह पे एक स्माइल आ गया. यू जस्ट फेल्ट हैप्पी. आपको वो इनर हैप्पीनेस फील होती है. दैट इज द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी इम्पैक्ट.
But this can be with not only somebody you met, like a किसी
Now,
gathering
this example is for the first time meeting, but the same thing happens in your inner circle.
That's what I'm trying to, yes, it's the same thing.
Yes. So I'm just telling you how to identify the energy.
Right.
आपके inner circle में ही वो सारे लोग हैं. There could be a friend of yours which you every time speak, and after that you feel shit, yaar, ab main thak gayi, because she keeps cribbing and
I
cribbing
know,
and cribbing
I
and
know.
cribbing, and you get that energy of negativity. You're like, मैं अब इससे बात ही नहीं करूंगी, हमेशा रोती रहती.
And you want to get off the
But then
phone.
again you feel,
फोन में बात कर रहे हो तो कहते हो जल्दी बात खत्म. Try to get off the phone.
हाँ खत्म करो यार, मुझे रखना है, will do something else. But then in that we get obligated कि ठीक है यार, friend है मेरी, मैं उससे बात करना कैसे छोड़ूं.
I know.
But then again you need to understand that impact is negative, na? It is not positive anymore.
Right. That is true.
Now the same way you have a friend जिससे बात करके आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अब एक घंटा भी बात करते हो तो आपको मन करता है यार 5 मिनट और बात कर लूं मैं.
I know. कहाँ चले गए नीलम जी? आपका वाईफाई गड़बड़ कर रहा है. So Neelam ji is having a little problem with her, I think, Wi-Fi. But like she's just said, you know, बिल्कुल ठीक उन्होंने कहा है कि this negativity, positivity, and neutrality, it can be with the inner circle as well as somebody you just meet or somebody you're talking on the phone with. And there have been some times when you talk to some people and you really want to get off. हाँ जी, मैं क्या आपको मैं सब रिपीट कर रही थी कि मैं क्या एग्जैक्टली आपने ठीक कहा है. दैट फीलिंग यू जस्ट सेड could be with the inner circle as well, or outer circle, the same feeling, or you can see the identification of those three: positivity, negativity, or neutrality. You can get that feeling from anybody.
Now when you have identified ये पॉजिटिव है, ये न्यूट्रल है, ये नेगेटिव है, ओके, आउटर सर्कल में तो आप बहुत जल्दी अवॉइड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आई डोंट हैव टू मीट दैट पर्सन अगेन, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर मी टू मीट दैट पर्सन. बट व्हाट हैपेंस टू द इनर सर्कल? You can't avoid them, right? If it is one of your family member in the house, आप उसको थोड़ी बोलोगे कि घर छोड़ के चले जाओ. So then what do you do? That's where your emotional protection comes into place. That's where it is now your responsibility to protect yourself emotionally from that person. Okay. And how do we do that? Because that's very important. Now, if it is a very immediate family member like your father, mother, spouse, children, grandparents, or someone like that, जो आपको रोज दिखते हैं, जिनसे आप रोज बात करते हो, जो आपके घर फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, There, the only way you can protect your energy is by minimizing your communication. You can't cut them off,
Right.
but you can minimize the conversation. Because those people actually know what your triggers are. They know how to
And they know
switch
how
your
to push
energy
your
very
buttons. They know how to push your buttons.
fast.
They know how to push your
So
buttons, and then that's it. And they
that,
know exactly what to do.
yes. So in that case, you can't keep on avoiding them every day. But you will be smart enough to minimize that conversation. टाइमिंग्स चेंज कर देते हो, ये इस वक्त आ रहा है तो मैं इस वक्त निकल रही हूँ, वो उस वक्त निकल रहा है तो मैं इस वक्त आ रही हूँ, बात हो रही है, थोड़ी सी बात होते ही यू स्विच, अच्छा ठीक है, आई हैव सम अदर वर्क,
Right.
आई एम गोइंग इन अनदर रूम, आई हैव सम अदर वर्क, आई एम गोइंग टू द किचन, आई एम गोइंग टू द वॉशरूम. You need to be smart in that, very smart, and it is important for your own sanity. It is
Right.
not that you want anything harm from, you're not thinking of any harm for those people, but then you need to protect yourself. It's as simple as that. If you have diabetes and everybody in your house is cooking sweets every day, what will you do? आप किचन में जाना कम कर दोगे ना, क्योंकि जाओगे दिखेगा तो आपका खाने का मन करेगा ना.
वो तो है. Yeah.
आप फ्रिज खोलना कम कर दोगे, क्योंकि फ्रिज में रखा होगा दिखेगा तो टेम्पटेशन होगी ना. अब जैसे आपको अपनी डायबिटीज कंट्रोल करने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी खुद की है, किसी और की नहीं है, वैसे ही अपने आप को नेगेटिव एनर्जी से बचाने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आपकी की है. So you need to minimize your conversation. That's the only way out. You can't leave those people and walk away from the house unless you have a choice to move in a different house, then go for it. But then not everybody will have that choice, right?
That's true. That is true.
So first and foremost thing is to minimize the conversation. That's first.
Now that can apply
Second
to
is
close
whenever you talk to, yes, to close friends also,
same thing.
anybody in your inner
Yeah,
circle.
exactly.
So if it is a very close friend of yours and they want to meet you very often, just minimize the meetings that you have with them. अगर आप रोज मिल रहे हो तो हफ्ते में 2 बार कर लो. अगर
Mhm.
हफ्ते में हर हफ्ते मिलते हो तो 15 दिन में 1 बार कर लो. यू नो, जस्ट ग्रेजुअली थोड़ा कम कर दो. उनसे रिश्ता नहीं तोड़ना, क्योंकि हम हर इंसान से रिश्ता तोड़ के बैठ जाएंगे तो
हाँ, नहीं वो तो है. Then
अकेले
that's
तो हम जी भी नहीं सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते ना हम. तो इसलिए हमें मिनिमाइज करना है उसको, और दिमाग पे स्ट्रेस नहीं डालना. The moment you come out of wherever you have met them and spoken to them, come out, do one thing. घर जाओ, take bath after that, put little salt in your bucket and let that negative energy wash off.
okay.
Salt डाल दो, camphor डाल दो, कुछ भी डाल सकते, थोड़ा सा
After
कपूर डाल.
after meeting a negativity, could be phone call, could be meeting personally,
After meeting a
conversation.
person and you feel
ऐसे
so
भी
drained
शुरू हो
out and
जाता
tired,
है.
हाँ,
Negativity out of
बस
your
शुद्धिकरण
system.
कर लो.
Okay, okay.
नहा लो, नॉर्मल वाटर से नहा लो, उसमें या तो नमक डाल दो थोड़ा सा, या फिर थोड़ा सा कपूर डाल दो. बोथ ऑफ देम वर्क वेरी वेल ऑन
Comfort,
रिमूविंग
comfort. क्या क्या कहा?
camphor, camphor
Comfort,
or
yeah.
salt, any of this.
Okay. Wow, that's very good to know.
So that's a very simple remedy. Do
Yeah,
that.
that is very simple.
So
And
at least you know how to protect yourself.
yeah, yeah, that is true. Hanji, Gautam ji, good morning, good morning. We're having a conversation about meeting negativity or influence हमारे life में कैसे to get rid of it, basically. Negative influence.
This now, this is one thing that you minimize the communication with them. Now let's come to the second step. See, we all have desires which we want to manifest. Your process of manifestation also gets hampered with the negative energy.
Oh, okay.
आपको कुछ manifest करना है, कोई desire पूरी करनी है, जैसे उसके अंदर negative energy आती है, वो चीज भी delay हो जाती है. So the second thing is, if you want something in your life, or if you are planning something, maybe a vacation, maybe a new venture, maybe a deal, keep it to yourself. Don't tell even your inner circle.
Oh, okay. I got it. The more you talk about it, the more energy, bad energy, negative energy starts going into that project. Whatever you're planning.
What I told you before also, it is not necessary the person who is
Close to you because you're
very close to you will be happy with what you are doing. Could be their trigger. Suppose you want to buy a big car and that person is planning to buy from so many years but is not able to because of whatever reason. And the moment you want to buy and you talk about that plan, that person feels jealous or negative or gets angry why he is not able to do it. जबकि गलती आपकी नहीं है. You are capable of doing it, you are doing it. Even if the other person does it, you will be happy. कि भाई तू भी ले ले नई गाड़ी, मेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ता है. लेकिन उसको फर्क पड़ता है. So keep your
Mm-hmm.
plans to yourself if you want to manifest anything. That is the first rule of manifestation. Keep it to yourself. Don't talk loud about it. And we usually, हम लोग खुशी में बताते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम
I
लोग,
know, I know,
we
I
want
know.
to share our happiness, we want to share our dreams. That's why we have family and friends. तो बताओ, जब वो पूरा हो जाता है उसके बाद उनके साथ सारी चीजें सेलिब्रेट करो. लेकिन इनिशियल स्टेजेस में you need to protect your energy, you need
I
to
have to
keep it
learn
to
that. I have to learn that lesson very badly, because I'm like an open book, and I think everybody in the whole world is my friend. कि मेरे साथ जैसे मैं सोचती हूँ वैसे I think everybody is like me the way I think, but that's not the way it
yourself.
is.
That thought
Right.
process is not bad. Veena ji, that's a very good thought process. That's a
That's the way
very
I think.
positive thought process.
Yes, that is all my
But
life.
then,
I've been thinking कि भी मैं जिससे अपनी खुली बात करती हूँ कि मैं भी everybody is like me, positivity सोचते हैं, अच्छी बात सोचते हैं, think nice of everybody. I mean
but
that's
then
what.
we all know not everybody is alike, ना. एक माँ के दो बच्चे भी एक जैसे नहीं
नहीं नहीं
होते
नहीं
ना.
होती, बिल्कुल ठीक बात है.
तो फिर
Good
हम कुछ
lesson.
भी कितना भी अच्छा सोच लें, जरूरी थोड़ी सामने वाला भी वैसा ही सोच रहा है. So that doesn't mean you start thinking negative. No, you just be a little more alert and aware where to say what. Simple as that. आपको प्लान्स बताने, फुलफिल होने के बाद बताओ, सेलिब्रेट करो, पार्टी दो, कोई मना नहीं कर. लेकिन जब तक वो हुआ नहीं तब तक बोलने से क्या फायदा.
Hmm.
क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता ना सामने वाले को क्या ट्रिगर कर रहा है. आपको सबके चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमास नहीं पता. आपके खुद के घर में आपके खुद के जो फैमिली मेंबर्स है, उनके भी क्या फियर्स और फोबियाज है वो भी आपको नहीं पता. बिकॉज इन द सेम सिचुएशन टू डिफरेंट पीपल विल रिएक्ट डिफरेंटली.
Yes.
Maybe for one person it will be like, if I come and say, okay, I have got selected, I have got this job, maybe my dad will be very happy, maybe my mom might not be that happy.
Hmm.
Two different people, they both are my parents, but they can have different reactions for the same thing. So that's why you have to be little wise and keep it to yourself at the initial stages. Once it is fulfilled, celebrate with your family, friend, or the whole world who's stopping you. That again is a part of your emotional protection because you
Yes.
want to
I
fulfill
agree.
your.
I agree. I agree. Very much so.
And even if people are motivating you, even if people are supporting you in your dreams, take their support, but then don't have to keep giving them information about every step that you are taking. Unless you're taking advice from them, that's a different thing. Otherwise, just make your
I agree. I agree. Gautam ji
own
जो लिख रहे हैं आप
decisions.
लिख रहे हैं, there's one of a person joined, he just said people have so much jealousy amongst them that even though they have no match, I mean, they're anywhere, but they still do it. I mean, they have no reason to do it, but they still do it. It's sad, but best idea is to keep yourself away from them. You're 100% correct.
Can't,
Now, I'm getting a
yeah,
little bit
but you
more
can't keep
aggressive.
yourself away from them, but you
You
can
can't be.
protect yourself.
Exactly, but you know what? Even if you meet people like that, you have to put, you have to be cordial. Hello जी क्या हाल है ये वो तो करना ही पड़ता है. But don't go beyond,
बात तो करनी ही पड़ेगी ना, you are social being.
because we are living in this world and we are social. We meet people. पार्टियों में मिलते हैं, इधर गैदरिंग्स में मिलते हैं. तो हेलो हेलो करने में क्या हर्ज है? कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
और
But
सेकेंडली जब हम कुछ अचीव करते हैं हमारी भी तो डिजायर होती है कि लोगों को पता चले कि हमें ये
वो
मिला.
तो बाद में, like you said, tell the whole world afterwards.
देन ऑल्सो देन ऑल्सो यू नीड पीपल टू नो ना. वहां पे भी तो लोगों की ही जरूरत है ना.
Exactly. You can
अगर लोग ही
celebrate.
नहीं होंगे तो पता कैसे चलेगा.
I know, Gautam ji, I agree. So that's the thing, and we have to protect ourselves. You're right. Like physically, को चोट लगती है तो हम डॉक्टर के पास भागते हैं, ये ठीक करो, ये ठीक करो, ये ठीक करो. But emotionally के लिए किसके पास जाओ? Unless you go to a psychiatrist or something, or you have to heal yourself. Who do you go to?
You go to counselors, you go to healers. Those are the people who are living in the neutral zone. उनको आपके सक्सेस से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा because they are there just to help you and guide you and support you.
Right.
Even you, there are people in your own family who will do that. It is not
Outsiders भी नहीं होते.
necessary every time you have to get professional help, but you need to identify those people, and that you can easily, and even if you're not able to identify, your energy will identify it for you. आप किसी से बात करके अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली वो एनर्जी, क्योंकि एनर्जी तो झूठ बोल ही नहीं सकती, सामने वाला मुंह से चाहे कितना ही झूठ बोल ले, अच्छे वर्ड्स बोल ले, कुछ भी बोल ले, एनर्जी आपको फील होगी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक है. एंड आई
It's
थिंक योर
just that
गट.
you need to acknowledge your gut feeling and your
Exactly. I was
instincts.
just going to say, you took the word out of my mouth. You have to uh, respect your gut feeling, what he's trying to tell you, instead of saying, नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप अपने आप को गलत. मैं, what I used to do, what I still did, or still sometimes do, is that I blame myself. No, 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 I'm wrong. That person is right. बाद में मुझे proof होता है कि listen, you were right. You just kept on giving them benefit of the doubt. करते रहे. In the end, में forget it until it became really bad. Then you really had to do so.
Right, Akshay, don't wait till that time. Don't make things bad,
Exactly.
because
I
the moment they become bad, that also affects you only emotionally, na?
yes.
आपको दुख होता है.
Yes. So ये देखो नीलम जी सब काउंसलिंग भी करती हैं, रेकी भी करती हैं. She does one-on-one. She does all these different topics that can help everybody. So anybody who needs to talk, they can always get in touch with Neelam ji. Ask me for the number and I'll give it to you. I don't want to put it in the public right now, but if you ask me personally, I'll give you the number and you can contact her. She does very
And in
good.
the comment box, I will put my Facebook and Insta handle. You can message
Yeah,
me through that
exactly.
also.
You can put it in this group also. तो अच्छा ये हुआ नेगेटिव चीज से कैसे बचना है. अब पॉजिटिव चीज से तो क्या बचना है, पॉजिटिव बंदे से तो क्या बचना है. दैट्स फाइन, दैट इज ऑलवेज देयर. यू कैन ऑलवेज बी नाइस विद द
पॉजिटिव
पॉजिटिव.
बनते को तो आपको, अगर इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग समवन जिनकी एनर्जी पॉजिटिव है, एवरीबॉडी से स्टे इन अ पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट. इफ यू कांट स्टे, क्रिएट योर ओन पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो अभी तो आप उसे क्रिएट कर सकते हो. आई कैन गिव यू अ वेरी गुड स्विच वर्ड फॉर दैट. आई थिंक मैंने पहले भी दिया है आपके शो पे, गोल्डन सनराइज.
Okay, if you keep on saying that word, switch word, golden sunrise, that will
It will make your energy positive. It will make your surroundings positive. It will make the other person's energy also positive for you. तो अगर आप इरिटेटेड हो रहे हो, आप नेगेटिव फील कर रहे हो, आप लो फील कर रहे हो, आपको आपकी एनर्जी सही नहीं लग रही, आपको आपकी सराउंडिंग सही नहीं लग रही, जस्ट से द स्विच वर्ड गोल्डन सनराइज एंड सी एवरीथिंग हाउ चेंजिंग. और सबसे पहले हमें अंदर से चेंज करना होता है. हमारी एनर्जी पॉजिटिव होते ही हम पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अट्रैक्ट करना चालू कर देते हैं. Because the energy which we carry is the energy that's the same kind of energy you're going to attract.
राइट.
जिस दिन आप नेगेटिव हो गए, इरिटेटेड हो गए, आप देखोगे आपको सब ऐसे ही मिलेंगे उस दिन. गुस्सा करने वाले, इरिटेट होने वाले, और ज्यादा इरिटेशन बढ़ती है. लेकिन जिस दिन आप पॉजिटिव होते हो, आपको भी सारे लोग वैसे ही हैप्पी पॉजिटिव मिलते हैं. सो इट्स द एनर्जी व्हिच अट्रैक्ट्स द एनर्जी. So start saying golden sunrise the day you are feeling little bit also irritated, tired, not in the good zone. Just chant the switch word and आप देखोगी सबसे पहले आपकी एनर्जी बदलेगी. आपकी एनर्जी बदलते ही सराउंडिंग्स की एनर्जी अपने आप बदल जाती है.
Okay, and then neutral, if you're in the neutral zone, what do you have to do then? Does anything special? Nothing.
Pardon me?
न्यूट्रल जोन में अगर हो, आई मीन अभी नेगेटिविटी की
अगर
बात,
आप न्यूट्रल जोन में हो, दैट इज द ब्लेसिंग.
दैट इज अ ब्लेसिंग. ओके.
दैट इज द बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिंग. हम लोग सब बोलते हैं ना स्टे पॉजिटिव. नहीं, एक्चुअली यू शुड स्टे न्यूट्रल. बिकॉज द मोमेंट यू स्टे न्यूट्रल, नथिंग इम्पैक्ट्स यू.
यू आर
बहुत
ग्राउंडेड.
ज्यादा खुशी भी आपको इम्पैक्ट नहीं करती, बहुत ज्यादा दुख भी आपको इम्पैक्ट नहीं करती. क्योंकि जब आप बहुत ज्यादा खुशी से खुश हो जाते हो ना, तो फिर फट से आपकी एनर्जी नीचे आ जाती है, आप बहुत जल्दी दुखी भी हो जाते
गो अप
हो.
एंड देन
लेकिन अगर आपको, yes, so it's like a pendulum, either it will go this side or it will go this side, but try and stay in the center ना. इफेक्ट ही नहीं करे, न्यूट्रल एनर्जी में रहो ना. न्यूट्रल एनर्जी वाले पीपल तो आर द ब्लेसिंग इन योर लाइफ, ट्रस्ट मी. And if you can maintain your energy in the neutral zone, you have reached nirvana.
वाओ.
सबसे अच्छी एनर्जी होती है न्यूट्रल एनर्जी.
एग्जांपल जैसे न्यूट्रल बंदा कोई
Because
मिला,
that is the non-judgmental energy. तब आप
लाइक
किसी
यू,
को जज,
लाइक यू एंड मी
तब आप
मीट.
किसी को जज नहीं करते.
नीलम जी आप और मेरे को मिले न्यूट्रल में है, न्यूट्रल में ही है ना, न्यूट्रल जोन में. आई थिंक
हम
सो.
पॉजिटिव, न्यूट्रल, नेगेटिव सब एंजॉय करते हैं. हम सारी एनर्जीज में रहते हैं.
But I think we are in the neutral zone, the neutral area, because we, you know, we talk and we think. I mean, आप जो सिखाते हो तो न्यूट्रल जोन में ही होना चाहिए ना. We don't have the ups and downs that many times.
See, the
नेगेटिव नहीं फीलिंग होती कोई, anything like that.
first indication of neutral zone is non-judgment. You will not judge anything in your life, good or bad.
Right.
जब आप न्यूट्रल जोन में हो जाते हो आप किसी को भी जज नहीं करते. अगर कोई बुरा है तो भी आप उसे जज नहीं करते, बिकॉज यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्सन हैज हिज ओन चैलेंजेस. अगर
Right.
कोई अच्छा है तो भी आप उसे जज नहीं करते, बिकॉज यू नो ओके ठीक है, ही इज वर्कड हार्ड एंड ही इज रीच्ड देयर, राइट? You become non, as a counselor, as a healer, when people come to me for healing, I don't judge their life. I don't judge the reasons why they, what happened in their life. What my job is just to give you the healing and get you where you want to go. Why will I judge?
Yeah, I think if somebody is having challenges or somebody is going through a bad day or something, just keep away and just think nothing. Don't say anything bad about it, because we don't, like you just said, we don't know what they're going through. We really don't know.
Yeah.
We're not in
जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, आपके इनर सर्कल में भी आपको नहीं पता उस इंसान का कौन सा फोबिया, कौन सा ब्लॉक ट्रिगर हुआ है जिस वजह से उसके अंदर ये फीलिंग आना चालू हुई है.
एक और क्वेश्चन था मेरा.
वरना वो भी तो आपकी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स हैं, आपके लिए चुने. हाँ
I
जी.
just have one question maybe. Somebody tries to trigger you किसी positivity में या anger में या गलत चीज में, even to against somebody else, trigger करते हैं लोग, बातें करते. How do you stop that triggering, because that can affect other persons, that
The only way of stopping that is moving out of that situation.
getting yourself out of that
Distance.
situation, getting yourself out.
Distance.
Distance.
Distance is the only solution for that. There's no other solution. Mental distance, emotional distance, physical distance, whichever works for you. See, triggering yourself is as good as somebody is coming and with a hammer in their hand to hit you. What will you do? You will run away from there? कि आप खड़े रहोगे, नहीं मैं इससे लड़ लूंगी? नहीं करोगे ना. आप कितने भी ताकतवर हो, उस वक्त अगर आपको दिख रहा है कोई अटैक कर रहा है तो your first instinct is to run from that place.
That's true.
Same is with this. आपको पता है सामने वाला ट्रिगर कर रहा है, भागो उस जगह से, क्यों लड़ना है? There's a very good saying. आपको पता है हम लोगों को बचपन में बताया जाता था, यहाँ अगर अभी भी आप जाओगे, हाई टाइड लो टाइड होता है सी पे. जब हाई टाइड होता है तो क्या करते हैं हम? पीछे हो जाते हैं. We just don't stand at the same place and try to measure our power कि ठीक है जितने भी फोर्स से वो वेव आ रही है, देखते हैं हम उसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं. अकलमंदी इसमें आप उसको जाने दो, आप साइड में हो जाओ. जब भी तूफान आ रहा है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव्स आ रही हैं, बहुत फ्लो से वाटर आ रहा है, a wise person will always advise you to move to the side and let it flow. Somebody is trying to trigger you, it is your responsibility to move aside. Move out of that situation. भागो, डिस्टेंस बनाओ, अपने आप को बचाओ ना. वो ये क्यों कर रहा है वो जानने में आप क्यों अपना दिमाग लगा रहे हो? वो तो सोच समझ के कर रहा है, अपने आप को बचाना आपका काम है. अब कोई आपको मारने आ रहा है पिस्तौल लेके, आप ये सोचोगे कि भाई वो क्यों आ रहे हैं,
Run away, protect
क्या
yourself.
प्रॉब्लम है उसका, क्या ये है, मैं उसको आइडेंटिफाई करूँ? नहीं, that is not the right time to do it. Right time to do it is much later when the person is not holding the gun. But if a person is holding the gun, you have to run away from there to protect yourself.
Same thing emotionally.
Protection is equally important. Run away. Create your distance. क्योंकि हर बार हर सिचुएशन में सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलता वीना जी. हर सिचुएशन में सोल्यूशन चाहिए भी नहीं होता.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
सोल्यूशन सिर्फ इतना होता है कि हम सेफ एंड साउंड रहे, मेंटली भी, इमोशनली भी और फिजिकली. बिकॉज इफ वी आर सेन we can live a better life and we can help others also. If we are not sane, how are we going to ever help anybody?
Correct. That's why we have to be in neutral zone में रहें. तो neutral सोचे, neutral, no, don't think any negative. I mean, we try to change yourself. If you have, some people are negative, जैसे किससे बात करो all the time negative बातें करते हैं, मेरे को ये हो गया, मेरे को, like you say hello, how are you, that's it.
नहीं जाएगी. And people will only change when they want to change. You can't force them, na?
Right. But sometimes people, you call somebody, hi, how are you, how you doing, how's everything, मेरे को ये हो गया, मेरे को वो हो गया, मेरे को ये हो गया, मेरे को ये हो गया, मेरे को ये हो गया, then you said, why God, you want to stop the call, you know. But then you feel कि भाई पता नहीं क्या इसको problems आए थे कि हरकत कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. So
But then you know what? Even to handle that situation, there's another way of looking at it. The moment they start
cribbing, you can say that.
complaining, you start counting your blessings. सोचो मेरे लाइफ में इसमें से कुछ भी
Exactly.
नहीं है. How
बिल्कुल
blessed I am.
मेरे को पूछता ना, how are you? I'm fine. Even if you went to the doctor yesterday, like मेरे को, I mean, I did literally, I had something done 2-3 days ago, but anybody who calls me, no, I'm okay, मैं ठीक हूँ, which I am, thank God, touch wood. You know, I'm fine.
So God also gives you the ways to understand your blessings. Sometimes these people are important in your life to make you realize how blessed you are, which otherwise you
like they're thinking, oh, hey, इसको ये हो
don't
गया,
acknowledge at all.
she must be on the
इसमें भी एक
bed.
blessing की
हाँ, उसको ये हुआ, she must be lying on the bed, she must be this, she must be sick. But you know what? I got up, I did all my things, I did everything, and I said, I'm fine. This is just a regular part of life. जो हुआ है, सो हुआ है, you know. So that's the thing. I know what, Neelamji, we really have to have another session of this thing. I repeat, matlab, not repeat, but people who have any questions to for Neelamji, or you want to have a session with her, you want to talk to her privately, you have anything that she can do. She's trained in that field, and even Reiki and everything. And she can heal everything. So please, if you do have anything, she's gonna put the number down in her handle, in Instagram handle में जहाँ पे भी करेंगे. So do get in touch with her, and in a couple of weeks I'm gonna be calling her again. We go a little bit more into this kind of a topic, which can help everybody. You know, we really need those things in life, because we don't know sometimes what we are doing, right thing or not. जैसे आपने इतना अच्छा बताया कि when you get something good news, just keep it to yourself. बड़े बड़े लोग कहते थे हमको, बुजुर्ग लोग हमको बचपन में कहते थे, जो like for example the women who are
बड़े
pregnant,
लोग ये भी कहते थे अगर तुम्हारा दुख भी है तो अपने पास ही रखो, सारी दुनिया को बताने से दुख कम नहीं होता बल्कि बढ़ता ही है.
like as a baby, somebody's having a baby, they कहते नहीं थे don't tell anybody until फलाने टाइम तक कुछ बताओ ना किसको. कोई रीजन ही था ना
3
तभी.
महीने तक बोलते थे किसी को नहीं बताना,
हाँ,
3 महीने के बाद
exactly.
बताना.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. there's a reason behind it. तो बुजुर्ग लोगों को सब कुछ, they knew everything, they were very smart, but along the way we stop following those things. But you're right, I agree with you, and we'll do this something like this kind of a session again, where we have question answers. And you know, if you have any ideas, do let me know. All of you, all my friends who are here, Shali ji hai, Gautam ji hai, Asha ji hai, Kamlesh ji hai, Rama ji. Yep, these people are here with me right now. They all are here. So if you have any suggestions or something, because I'm definitely going to call her. After 2-3 weeks, I start missing her, so I have to call her. You know, so that's how it is. And you know what? She's such a nice person, such a sweet lady. I just told her yesterday, I think Thursday को ही मैंने कहा नीलम जी, मैंने आपको कुछ सीखना है, और can you come on Friday? She said yes, I can. So here she is. तो मैंने फ्लायर फटाफट चेंज किया थोड़ा. मैंने उर्वा को बोला थोड़ा इनका नाम डाल दो. So that's how it is. You know, it worked just within a day. So I love that positivity. Yeah, that's what you call getting on the same level. We are, you know, I just called you and you said yes. इससे better चीज़ क्या हो सकती है लाइफ में, that you can depend on your friends. You know, although we haven't met, but Zoom में भी काफी कुछ पता चल जाता है. And I really like that, because you know, if sometimes when I'm requesting something,
बहुत
I
कुछ पता चल जाता
I
है
really
मुझे.
need somebody right away. You know, like next day मुझे कुछ चाहिए, maybe I can't do it myself, or need somebody backed out, or whatever it is. It can happen, you know. So that was so nice of you. But I will program this time. मैं आपको बताऊंगी कब आना है. I'll tell you beforehand, and you please come, and we'll do this something like this again. And like I said, if anybody has a suggestion or need a number, please do get back to me as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, everyone. Enjoy your day. And I'm going to be heading to work also. I'm going to work soon. So thanks everyone. I'm sorry about this problem, Neelam ji. आपको wait करनी पड़ी, and all the guys who had
No
to
problem.
wait. But thank you for being patient and being with us. So thank you, and have a lovely weekend, and be safe, everyone. आपको भी सबको.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
A lot. Thank you. Yeah. Let's see if I'm live where I am right now. I have to. Okay, let me go back to Facebook.